Hey there, I'm Justin, the Design Sprint Facilitator at Crema. What is a design sprint? Let me tell you. In short, a design sprint is an exciting, intense process that gives you user feedback in only 4 days. On day 1, your team is going to collectively pick one key problem to address during the sprint week and spend the rest of the day individually ideating a solution to that problem. On day 2, your team is going to vote on one solution to move forward with and then fully flesh out that idea. On day 3, our designers at Crema are going to take that idea and make it feel like the real thing. On day 4, we're going to take that finalized design and put it in front of your users and get their feedback. That's right, we go from problem to solution to user feedback in 4 days. But how exactly do you know if the design sprint is right for you and for your company? It's a great question. Here's 5 kind of common factors that point to a design sprint. 1, you've got a great idea, but you want to get some user feedback before you put time and money into this problem. 2, you've got a key idea that your team has gone back and forth on for several months and you need to make a decision quickly. 3, you need to move quickly and give your VC or your board proof that this feature set or this idea or this solution is what your users actually want. 4, you're tired of having really fun brainstorming sessions 3 or 4 times a year with your team, but nothing actually coming of it. Or 5, you want to get the best out of all of your team members, not have the more extroverted, confident, articulate team members driving the decision-making process, instead including all the team in their decision and having each voice heard equally. In short, if you want to solve problems fast and get the best out of your team, the design sprint's the right way to go. All right, so why design sprints at Crema? Another good question. Here's 3 quick answers. 1, Crema's been facilitating strategy sessions like this for the last 10 years. 2, Crema has a crazy amount of experience with all kinds of different organizations, from startups to enterprises, from healthcare to fitness to business consultation to cybersecurity and more. 3, Crema's expertise in product teams means that you're not just getting a design sprint facilitator and a design sprint designer. Rather, you're getting employees that are well-trained in UI, UX, product management, product strategy, and more. All right, let's wrap things up. The design sprint is used by some of the best tech companies: Google, Airbnb, Slack, and more. But it's also used by non-tech companies: Lego, Prudential Insurance, the City of Chicago, the United Nations. And it's used in all kinds of industries: retail, education, healthcare, agriculture, and more. In short, the design sprint process just works. And at Crema, we're excited to see how this process can work for you, for your needs, and the problems that you want to solve in 4 days. For more information, visit us online at crema.us/design-sprint.